Hello everyone, I Rachna H. Kalapnavar, lecturer in Electrical and Electronic Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. In this video, I am going to cover the Maintenance and Total Quality Management Unit from the Basic Management Skills and Energy Management subject. For more my videos, subscribe Architect YouTube channel. So first let us see the contents of today's videos. That is, what are the objectives? We'll see what is the maintenance, what are the function of maintenance, objectives of maintenance and types of maintenance, and that preventive maintenance will be discussing now. So first, maintenance. Yes, everywhere you go maintenance is necessary. For example, if in your home maintenance is necessary, like cleaning and all, keeping the good things arranging proper manner, so that is also maintenance. So in home also, if people are doing maintenance like this, in companies, industries, everywhere we are doing the maintenance. So what is the definition then? Maintenance is a function of production management that is concerned with the day-to-day problem of keeping physical plant in good operating condition. Yes, if you are not doing, if we people not doing any maintenance in the industries or any companies, what happen? The machine may failures, breakdown of the machine, and the plant may stop or industry may stop. So compulsory we have to do the maintenance, because all the machines will be running that time. If it is continuously running means you have to do servicing, some lubricating, and all things you have to do maintenance. So why it is necessary and what is the function of maintenance? If maintenance is not there, then what and all things will be happening, that will be seeing in this video. So maintenance functions, what are the function? Maintenance of existing plant, equipment, and building. Yes, we have to do maintenance of plant, any machines, so many machines will be running, that time you have to do lubrication, cleaning, all those things, nuts, bolts, everything is in the proper manner or no, it is tight or not. So all things you have to see that all the equipments are proper working or no, you have to do that. And also for the building, like painting and all, you have to do cleaning of that building, that is also very important. Equipment inspection and lubrication. Yes, you have to do inspection, some predefined schedule, like 1 month, 2 month, 1 week, depends on the machines. Some other machines may be 6 months, one month or 2 month, like that you have to do some inspection and lubrications for proper rotating machines, and everywhere friction will be there, so you have to do lubricate it properly. Everywhere compulsory fire protection should be there, otherwise something fire catches there. Yeah, if you are having any fire extinguisher, then you can easily extinguish the fire that time. Yes, one more important thing is waste disposal. So many factories, so many industries, some waste water and all, it will be there, you have to dispose it properly. You should not let it go like that. You have to proper maintenance, like pipelines, and you have to dispose it in other place where the human beings is not there, not much human beings and staying there and all. And you should not, you have to leave it to any rivers and all, so you have to dispose it properly. Next is pollution and noise control. Obviously, so many factories and all emitting the pollutant gases, you have to control it. Some which are the polluting gases, you have to control that, and you have to emit it to the atmosphere. And noise, because of noise, surrounding people, what are the habitats will be there, the worlds will be get disturbed, and also who are working in the company or industry, they will also get disturbed. So you have to control all those such things. And next is the proper accounting and insurance administration. Yes, in the industry, company, whatever it is, their accounting, financing should be, will be there, and some insurance administration, all you have to take care of that. All those will be coming under the function of the maintenance. Next, what are the objectives of maintenance? Why you have to do the maintenance? What are the necessary things? Why necessity of maintenance? That is first thing, minimizing the loss of production time due to the equipment failure. Yes, see, if we are not doing proper maintenance, some machines may be in the form failure, it is not working, that time what happen, your time will be wasting, and production also will be stopped. So again, repair time and repair cost also will be there. So you have to do the maintenance properly. You have to save the production time, and also if it is under repair, then repair time and repair cost, again it will be extra. And also all the working assets, all the working equipment should be in the good working condition. And if you are doing proper maintenance, proper inspection, that time you can minimize the accidents. Accidents will be happening in almost all industries you have to be aware, otherwise it may be problem for the operator also and that machine also. It may be lead to the death of that operator, so you have to very cautious and you have to take care to do the maintenance. Next, production. If you are not doing proper maintenance, what happen, production will be stoppages, so you have to do the proper maintenance of the all those machines, equipments, whatever there, whatever the equipments will be there. Types of maintenance. First is the breakdown maintenance, second is the preventive maintenance. In the preventive maintenance, again two types. One is the planned maintenance, second is the predictive maintenance. So what is the breakdown maintenance means? Suppose your equipment, if you are not doing the maintenance before, then after equipment failure only you people are doing the maintenance, that is after breakdown of the equipment or any machine, that time it is called as the breakdown maintenance. Next is a preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance means before breakdown, before anything failure of the machine occurs, before that only you are doing the maintenance and keep the good working condition of that machine, means it is called as the preventive maintenance. Again, in the preventive maintenance, two types, planned maintenance and the predictive maintenance. So first we'll see the what is the preventive maintenance. I already told that it's a maintenance which is undertaken before the machine or equipment fails, which is aimed to minimize the possibility of major breakdown. Yes, if you are doing the maintenance before only, then what happen, the equipment will not be will get any breakdown of that equipment will be not there. That time your production also will be continuously, it will be producing some products. So it is a very advantage, preventive maintenance, if you are doing in the industry or any company. What are advantages then? If you are doing starting only maintenance, then increases the life of the machine and equipment. Yes, if you are doing the maintenance predetermined schedule and all that, what happened that time, it will be increase the life of the machine and the equipment. Next is the improved productivity. Yes, if it is all the machines are working properly, means productivity will be increased. Otherwise, if it is a repair, means again the timing of that production will be stopped, timing will be lost and also the production will be lost. So what happens, stoppage of the production. So if you are doing the maintenance, improved productivity. Yes, higher worker safety. Yes, if you are doing the maintenance prior only, you are not everything you are checking properly prior only, what happen, then the operator safety it is. Otherwise it is very difficult for the operator. It is very some accident may happen and it is dangerous, injurious to the operator. Yes, high reliability. Next, less requirement of standby machine. Extra backup machine will be keeping. If you are doing the maintenance prior only, means there is not necessary of much standby machines. Then reduction in frequent breakdown. Yes, if you are doing the maintenance before only, there will be no reduction in the frequent breakdown. So this is about the preventive maintenance. Thank you.